In today's video, I'll be showing you how I filled my Google Adsense form. So the first thing I did was to verify my identity. I used the driving license to do all that. And then the next part was to fill the tax info, which you're going to be seeing how I went about it. And then the last part, which I didn't actually finish screen recording, is the bank part. That part is just the simplest part to do. It's just about filling in your bank details, and then Google will send some money into your account and tell you to put in the amount that you can see in your bank account to verify your bank account. And that's all you just need to do. It's just like when you have received the PIN and you put in your PIN to verify your AdSense account. So it's just the same thing. So come along with me as I show you what I did.
Guys, let's get to it. As you can see here, you are no longer showing ads because the verification process isn't complete. Verify your identity to start showing ads again. I have to do this now. So let's get right into it. I'm going to click on here, verify. So guys, put in the name, verify identity. I put in the name, the driver license. I'm going to be uploading the pictures now, and the back of the ID also. Now go to next, address, which I have done now, and then I'll click submit here, confirm, and then submit. So it says my verification is successful. As we can see, thanks for submitting your information, your verification was successful. Check your email for more details, and I click got it. So I'll have tax info. So here it's telling me to start the form, and I'm going to be starting the form right now. It's asking if the type of account is individual or non-individual. I clicked individual because it is individual. Are you a citizen or resident of the US? No. And then I click on next. It says select W8 tax form based on your previous selected. A W8 form is needed.
So guys, in this part, I already filled the form, but somehow it didn't go through, so I had to start it all over again. So this part, I'll be filling the W8 form. I'll be filling that part, and then you see what I did.
I click no, I'm not a resident of the US, and I go to next, and I click W8BN, and I start the form. Put in the full name, and I put the country of resident, United Kingdom. United Kingdom. And then I put the NIN number. Okay, so I click into next, and then I put in the address immediately. Click on postal address is also the same as the address. I click on the next. I click on United Kingdom here again. Click on all this 0% services or other business income, article 7, still 0% because I'm a resident of the country, and I pick this as well, and I put 0%, and I go on to next. I click on no here because I don't have any activities performed in the US. Yeah. And I click on I certify, and I click on next again. I click on get document by post. I click on next again, I confirm this tax here. Everything is correct as I can see. I click on next again. I click on certify. I agree that I will submit a new form within 30 days if any certification made on this one becomes incorrect. Okay. This transfer may be applied to payments by following. Yeah, I click on this 2025. So guys, for this one I feel 2025 because this is when I just started filling this form, and then I fill in the signature. The full legal name is already there. Yes, I'm the beneficial owner named in the tax identity section, and then I click submit. Status approved. Wow, finally, at last. At last. So as you can see here, guys, it's showing the status is approved 31st of January 2025 and expires 31st December 2028. This is good. Very, very good, finally. Guys, I'm going to the payment info now, and I'll be putting in the name of the bank. I believe I can always do this at any point in time anyway, so I'll be doing this later on.
I hope you found this video very helpful. I hope that this was a meaningful watch for you. I hope you have learned how to fill your form from this. Please, if you found this video very helpful, please give it a like, please share on to others, and please subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. And on my end screen, you'll be seeing a video. Please do well to watch it, as it will always impact you. Please leave me a comment down below if you found this video very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. And until I see you in my next video, have an amazing day ahead. And bye for now.